Okay, the edge is on and I turned it over and this is what it looks like. I was going to plug the holes and I still may. Still debating that, but I'm so excited. Let's see if we can put a couple stone in there. Nice and square. I must say these stone tiles, they're really precision cut. When you put them on top of each other, they line up really nice. A little snug, but it's going. It doesn't look the best there, so I may want to see if I can rotate this one. So I'll probably have to have two hands because I'll probably have to lift that up and kind of push it out. But you're getting the idea. And who knows, I may need to sand the edge a little bit on some of these. Might have went too tight. Definitely went snug, that's for sure. Okay, it went in, but wow, wouldn't want it any tighter. Okay, so I think I need to flip this one, see if that changes anything, or maybe move it down here. And then try the other one, but that's what it's looking like right there. Okay, let's see if I need to sand. Plus, I'm not even sure if, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one, but we'll see. I would like to keep an onyx in it, so that's kind of cool. Two marbles, probably a travertine, and a granite. But I have others, so we'll see what we choose.